Alright, so today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're going to be installing this kit to my QuickJack. I got tired of having to manage all that weight. Really hard to push the QuickJack once on the floor. So you can see there it's very heavy. It's hard for me to remove it with my foot. So I got this kit. It's 3D printed, so I'm not sure about the quality. I'm gonna have to check that. So I took a chance on this. Let's see if it really works. For one of them. And then the other. And then the hard one. We also got some clips for the hoses. Alright, so let's see how we install this now. Alright, start with this one. And it's supposed to go like this. Alright. And they say that if there's a gap, that we should put the spacers. So it seems that there's a gap there. I'm going to put one spacer here, see? Yep.
The spacers are 3D printed and circular. You put it in between the caster and the QuickJack. And this ensures that you are not overstressing the casters when you're tightening up.
Now I need to find the hole. Oh, let's do it this way, probably easier. Yep.
Use 2 socket wrenches with 11mm sockets to tighten, one in either side. Do not over tighten. So there are 2 additional casters that need to be installed in the QuickJack, and that's what I'm doing now. Now that I finished installing the caster, now I'm installing the clip to hold the hose in place. This clip is installed by using two tie wraps. I will be showing a better angle when I install this clip in the other QuickJack.
So this is where I put the clip. Alright, now I can move it with one hand. Look at that. It's really a great improvement.
Now it's time to install the casters in the other QuickJack.
I'm gonna put the A spacer here, see that's what it needs. Yeah, spacer is fine.
Here now you can see a better angle of the installation of the clip.
Oh my goodness. All right. So now everything is installed. And very easy to move, not like before. All right. They were a pain to move, these QuickJacks, once they were on the floor. I also installed a clip there. They were a pain to move, and now it's like I can move it with one finger. And when the QuickJack goes up there, wheels goes up with it, so it wouldn't put the weight of the car on those wheels. And it's a nice improvement. So, good.
I'm here now demonstrating how to move the QuickJack on the floor and position it below the car. The installation of this caster had reduced my setup time by probably 50%. And more important than that, it has saved me from having to push and pull this heavy load on the floor. If you own a QuickJack, you know how heavy and difficult to handle they are. Getting the QuickJacks from and to the storage hooks has also improved. As I lifted from the hook, I place it on the floor and roll it into location with my feet. It has truly transformed the QuickJack from pushing and pulling hard into just rolling in and out. I also installed these casters in April 2024. I'm editing this video on purpose 2 years later as I wanted to test how durable they are. They have taken a beating for the past 2 years. And the only thing that has broken is a single tie wrap from one of the clips, which I replaced easily. I can now say with certainty that even though these are 3D printed casters, they are good quality. They have a SANTIRX rating of 5 stars. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, now is a good time to do so. Click that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.